Hello, friends, welcome to my English story video. Today, I will tell you a story called Me Traveling, My First Big Trip. This story is in simple English. It is great for beginners who want to learn English by listening and reading. In this story, you will hear about my first travel experience. You will learn new words about travel, daily life, and feelings. Are you ready to travel with me? Let's begin the story. My name is Biren. I come from a small village where life is quiet and simple. I had always dreamed of traveling, but I never had the chance. One day, I decided it was time. I wanted to see new places and learn new things. I planned a trip to the city. It would be my first big journey alone. I was a little nervous, but also very excited. The night before the trip, I packed my bag carefully. I put in clothes, a phone charger, my wallet, a water bottle, snacks, a notebook, and my ID. I set an alarm for 6 a.m. and went to bed early. In the morning, I woke up quickly. I got ready, had tea and toast, and walked to the bus station. The weather was nice, cool and fresh. At 7:30, the bus arrived. I got on and found a window seat. The ride was long, but I enjoyed it. I listened to music and looked outside. I saw fields, rivers, small villages, and busy roads. I even saw people selling fruit on the roadside. Everything looked different and interesting. After about 3 hours, we reached the city. It was much bigger than I had imagined. The buildings were tall, the traffic was heavy, and people were walking fast. I felt small, but also excited. My first stop was a museum. I saw art, history, and science displays. It was quiet inside, and I took my time. After that, I went to a nearby park. It was full of people, families, children, and couples. I sat on a bench and watched them. I ate a sandwich and drank juice. Later, I visited a shopping mall. It was very modern. I bought a new shirt, a book, and a small gift for my friend. I also tried ice cream with a new flavor I had never eaten before. In the evening, I walked to a viewpoint. From there, I could see the city lights. The view was beautiful. I took pictures and wrote in my notebook, "Today, I traveled far. I saw new things, met kind people, and learned something about myself. I feel proud and happy." At 7 p.m., I took the bus back home. I was tired, but it was a good kind of tired. I listened to soft music and closed my eyes. When I got home, I showed my family the photos and told them about everything. That was my first big trip, but not my last. Now, I know, traveling is not just about going places, it's about growing inside. I want to travel again. I want to learn more, meet more people, and see the world. Thank you for watching and listening to my story, Me Traveling, My First Big Trip. I hope you enjoyed it and learned some new English words and sentences. If you didn't understand everything, don't worry. You can watch the video again, and read slowly. Keep practicing every day. Step by step, your English will get better. If you liked this video, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy English stories. See you in the next video. Keep learning and keep smiling.